Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I welcome you all to yet another online English class. So today we are going to learn how to write the letters S, T, U, V, W and X. These letters are based on the curved lines which you have already practiced in your classwork copies. So let us begin. So here you can see that I have written all the letters to be taught today. Let us begin. S, T, U, V, W and X. So we will start with recognizing all these letters. Let us start. Capital S, small s, capital T, small t, capital U, small u, capital V, small v, capital W, small w, capital X, small x. So now you can make out the difference. We will start with small cursive s. So students, small cursive s is not based on any particular pattern. So we will first draw a slanting line like this to make small s, and a curved line and a tail. Simple. We can also make small s like this, but it would be a little difficult for you all. So we will stick to the first one. First, the slanting line, a curved line and a tail like this. Let us see it again. Slanting line, curved line and a tail. One more time. Slanting line, curved line and a tail. One more time. Slanting line, curved line and a tail. Now the next is small cursive T. So basically small cursive T is based on the pattern this. So we can make small cursive T two ways. The first one is this, by not letting the loop, and the second is letting the loop, letting a little space in between the two lines, the two curved lines. Whichever is easier for you, you can draw that. So here I am practicing the first one. Simple curved line till red line and a sleeping line in between. Now the next is small cursive U. So students, small cursive U is based on this pattern. So first we'll draw a slanting line and then the pattern. Slanting line, pattern and the tail. Now U is done. Now small cursive U is very easy if you know the pattern already. See it again. Now the next is small cursive V. So students, small cursive V is more or less like small cursive U, but it has a circle and a curved line on the top. First we will draw the slanting line, then the curve and then a tail on the top. So students, you can see many letters today are in between the two blue lines. S, U, V. Now W is also we will write between the two blue lines. These letters are called stomach letters, which are written in between the two blue lines. So students, W means double U in English. So it is very visible from the pattern that if we draw U 2 times, it makes a W. First we will draw the slanting line, then 2 times the pattern of U and then a tail, and your W is done. First the slanting line, then 2 times we will repeat the pattern of U and then a tail, like this. Now the next is X. Small cursive X is made up of 2 curved lines on the opposite sides, like this. One is straight C and the other is inverted C, small c. So just like the capital X was made up of 2 slanting lines, small x is made up of 2 curved lines like this, facing opposite to each other. X is also written between the 2 blue lines, so it is also called stomach letter. So students, I guess X is very easy for you. One more time, like this. So now you know how to write S, T, U, V, W and X in cursive small. Alright students, and I expect you all to practice these letters in your rough copies before I give you assignment to write in your classwork copies. So this is all for the day. Thank you so much.